Ballistic vest and Cal helmet, reinforced with contoured carbon armor plates and wired for cellular and radio communication.
What is this?
A layered microwave of Kevlar, Tauron, and Heracron fibers skinned in a titanium ceramic alloy neurosymbiotic mesh, resistant to heat and small arms fire.
Wait, neuro what?
You know, kind of like modern bioelectronic prosthetics.
In English.
Okay. When you tense, say in anticipation of being struck, well, your brain sends signals to your muscles and they contract.
Well, the neurosymbiotic mesh works in much the same way. Its density is determined by the signals from your brain and will protect you from bladed weapons, falls, and impacts.
Oh, wow, that is so cool.
Yes, and what is even more cool is that, like an insect's exoskeleton, the mesh effectively amplifies your innate speed and strength by a factor of 2.5 times your normal output.
Can I try it?
Are you comfortable?
Yeah, feels nice.
Dr. Kim, are we ready?
Yep. Set, we're hot.
If you please, punch the dummy with all of your might. Go ahead. No, not like that. Not with a closed fist. You'll break every bone in your hand. Excellent. Okay, on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Whoa. Oh my! Look, you've broken its neck.
Babor. 2618.
What?
You just struck that object with a force of over 2,600 pounds per square inch.
Yeah.
Is that good?
It's excellent.
The homeless guy called it in almost a month ago. Found in the area you guys are talking about. Injuries consistent with a fall.
ID?
John Doe. Guy was stripped to his skivvies. No wallet, nothing. Ran DNA, prints, no hits. There you go.
It ain't him. You sure this is the guy from the warehouse?
That's him. Ran him through APHIS and CODIS, no hits.
What about Interpol?
Hello, Shanoru.
This guy's one hard ass. What's that? Viola, one right there.
Aggravated rape.
And one right below, conduit, obscene.
Lewd conduct.
French sure is a language of love.
No arrests after 2004.
Maybe rehabbed.
Guys like this don't go straight, they get proficient. Any KAs?
Whoa, look at that. There's 2 of them.
Yeah, this one's worse. Murder, that's murder, right?
Yeah. I saw that in the other guy's sheet, too. 2 counts.
4 counts, 1 conviction, manslaughter. Nothing after 2004.
These guys aren't just proficient, huh?
They're professionals.
You'll notice to the left of the senator, Mr. Grant Rogers. He's been a friend for many years, a lawyer as well as an advisor. Mr. Rogers is figuring prominently in the news today, having received an acquittal for Dr. Raymond Oliver. Having a winning lawyer at his side is...
And terminate broadcast.
Indoctrination of subject Clark Ellis completed successfully.
Senator Sinclair seems to have a lot of support from the local community. And this November's election looks to be shaping up as an easy win for the senator. As the incumbent senator, he doesn't seem to have...
We need to talk.
You're right. I'm glad you came down. Your attitude lately makes me doubt the sincerity of your commitment.
What?
It's been almost 2 months, and you've utterly failed to demonstrate the maturity and devotion to duty necessary to step into the Phantom's shoes.
I have done everything you've asked me to do. And as far as I know, I've been kicking ass.
Physically, yes, but mentally. This whole process is designed to be transformative. In order to become the Phantom, you must let go of your old life.
I can't! The detective who broke this case is my friend's father. According to this article, they've initiated a major investigation. They think I've been murdered.
Good. It will take you off the Brotherhood's radar.
Yeah, and put him on it, dead center.
He's a police officer. I'm sure he can take care of the situation.
No, that's not good enough. I need to call him, tell him I'm okay.
Out of the question.
If he doesn't call off this investigation, the Singh Brotherhood will have him killed. You know that.
I will not permit you to risk everything we are doing here. There is simply too much at stake.